Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. Wondering how to subscribe? Should I subscribe? Yes, you should subscribe. That's all you had to do. Ding! And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments you've been leaving. Today, I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. I'll be making some Cajun corn. I'll be boiling it first, and then I'll be putting it in the Power XL, and I'll be baking it with all different kind of seasons. So let me show you what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using some Creole season, some Cajun season, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Also, I'll be using some butter. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put all this to the side and get this corn together. This is my corn, come out my garden and everything, looking nice and good. I'll be boiling this corn. I also have a couple of videos on corn too, but today I'm doing it a little different. Okay, this is my corn. I'm going to boil it before I bake it and everything. Cajun corn. I'm going to make Cajun corn, but this right here came out my garden looking nice and good and everything, as you see. I start planting it kind of late, but it's there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to boil them for a few minutes, and then I'm going to bake them Cajun style. Okay, I got it boiling right now. It's looking good. When I get through boiling it, that's when I'm going to take it out and bake it in the Power XL with the season. As you see, it's boiling pretty good and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this Power XL on bake. Put it on bake. I'm going to set my temperature for 375. 375. And I'm going to set these minutes for like 15 minutes. I'm not going to use all of it. Or set it for 20. And what it's going to do, it's going to preheat first. And I'm going to let it preheat. While it's preheating, I'm going to put my butter in. Press start. It's on preheat. And I'm going to let this butter melt. Put it in so it can build up and everything. Just put it in there just like that. And let it melt. And then I'll put all my seasoning in. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to raise the top up and take a look at it. Look like everything's melted. So I'm going to just pour all the seasoning right in there like that. Just pour it in. Just like that. Pour everything in. And I'm just going to stir it up for a minute. Get it nice and good. Sit the top down for a minute. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to raise it up now. And I'm just going to sit this corn in nice and good. Just like that. Just twirl it around so it get nice and good. Put it in. Set this one this way. What I'm going to do, put the top down. Okay, as you see, it's still on preheat. And I have the corn in, and it's looking nice and good. So we're going to work with it like this. It's looking good and everything. Season is on it. And we're going to put the top down. Okay, as you see, it said add food. We already put the food in and it's looking good and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the top down and I'm going to just press start and let it go from there. So I'm going to raise this top up and see how it looks. As you know, it had a lot of time for the preheat. And I'm going to just flip it over. Get it nice and good. Turn it on the other side. Put the top back down. Okay, it's been about 17 minutes, 16 minutes. This corn is looking good and everything. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take it out now and it's done. And this right here is your Cajun corn. And that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you.